Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your MOTOROLA Buds 270 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case. And now close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings and the Bluetooth. So if you have iOS near to your earbuds, you will see a text not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends because, let's say on Realme, under your earbuds you have information in use when it connected and no information when it disconnected. So maybe you have another way to check it. And after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check, maybe it will fix this problem. Next step is to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. And then at the back side, right here we have Motorola logo. This one is touch area. You need to press and hold simultaneously both of them until you will see that the LED light, the red LED light. So we need to firstly turn off them. Here we go, then release your finger and then press and hold again for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go, now you can release your fingers and then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, forget this device or forget device or unpair, depend also on the phone. And forget device. If you have Android, after that click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory set, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and we have connection. Now, if the factory set didn't help you also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your network. You will reset all your network settings, so you will remove all your Wi-Fi from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then I will move to Android device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open settings and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general. Right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click on it, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System, right here at the bottom we have Reset options, at least on stock Android. Tap at this line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone, because we just reset network settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!